Good afternoon. This is the next relearning for the most recent test, explaining how Newton's third law predicts change in motion as objects collide. A couple of reminders, Newton's second and third laws are going to be key to understanding this standard. Reminder that Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration. Please note that this is a hyphen, not S minus sign. So you can put a colon there if that helps. And when this idea, if the mass stays the same, or excuse me, the force stays the same, and mass increases, acceleration is going to decrease. They're inversely proportional. Force and acceleration are directly proportional, and force and mass are directly proportional. Newton's third law, it says that for every force there is an equal and opposite force. So the big question here is, how does an object's mass affect its acceleration? Because if the forces are going to be equal and opposite, that means we're really only looking at mass and acceleration. So if we look at a cannon and a cannonball, which was on your test, hint. If you're watching this before you take the test, that was a big hint. The cannon has a really, really big mass, and the cannonball has a big mass, but not compared to the cannon. And so if there's an explosion in the cannon, there's going to be an equal and opposite forces on the cannon and the cannonball. The cannonball is going to accelerate a lot more because it has a much smaller mass. And again, they are inversely proportional. Let's look at another example. I'm running around, I'm playing soccer with my friend's kid, and we run into each other. Kid is pretty little. So the force of Miss McConnell running into the kid is what compared to the force of the kid running to Miss McConnell? Well, they're equal to. Why? Because of Newton's third law. We're hitting each other with the same amount of force. The issue is then who's going to accelerate? If this kid is pretty little, like let's say they're like 4 years old, the kid is going to accelerate a lot more. So the acceleration of me, Ms. McConnell, is less than the acceleration of the kid. I'd like you to take a look at the test that we just took on the section that you got wrong. Do you understand what was wrong about what you wrote? If you don't, please let me know. And when you're ready, you can retake the test. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please go ahead and finish up the practice problems that are on the relearning and get that back to me. This is a very specific skill and concept. Once you get it, you'll be fine. Thanks and have a great day.